In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First, you need to open clock and tap on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, use this plus at the top right one here to create new alarm and adjust it to your needs. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. Go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left corner. Now use this switcher next to skip public holidays to turn on or off this feature. And once you're done, choose alarm sound. Now you can choose Add New to pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it, or you can use one of those links, like for example, Elegant Smoothing or Energetic. Whatever you decided, when you're done, go back and click on Label if you wish to name your alarm. Then Done to save its name. Click on Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back. Click on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to disable or enable it, and tap on Forecast Alarm Broadcast. If you want to use it, use this switcher next to it to enable it. Hit Agree, Start Recording, or Cancel at the top right corner if you don't want to. And then enable or disable all of those options to pick perfect contact for you. Sorry, I'm looking for, there it is. You can also tap on Preview Podcast.
Time to get ready. It is April 1st, 3:50. Today's weather in Krakow is overcast. The current temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, with a high of 9 degrees Celsius and a low.
And check out how it would look like. Once you're ready, go back and hit save. As you can see, my alarm was perfectly created for me and added here. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, make any changes you wish, and hit save again. To get rid of it, hold it, and use the delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Lastly, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings, and then click on this option National, Regional, Public Holidays under Alarm. Pick your country to make sure they will be adjusted accordingly. Let's go with Thailand. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!